Bianca Osbourne's gift guide. Take it away, Bianca.
So I once met a woman who was about 75 years old, and she looked not even older than 50, and she said exfoliation was the key. So you guys are all going home with the Foreo Luna Mini 2 exfoliator. So this thing pulsates on your face at 8,000 pulsations per minute.
All right.
And that means any gunk on your face is gone. So you just rub it around your face with the silicone brush, and it just gets every piece of gunk off your face, and then you'll look youthful forever.
Forever. And you know, when you take the gunk off your face and you put your moisturizer on, it makes your moisturizer work even better.
Exactly.
Right.
And that's the thing. It makes it so that your moisturizer works better, your serums work better, and you're just like glowing through the whole season.
Yay for glow. I love Christmas glow. All right, there you go.
So you've exfoliated, and now it's time to get your beauty sleep. So you're all going home with a silk eye mask and pillowcase from Silk. Oh, I live by it too.
Do you?
I do.
So here's the reveal. We live by these. I am telling you, listen to this. You put that thing on, and it's like every light from your phone, alarm clock, gone. You have a better night's sleep.
And no creases either. And same with your pillowcase, no creases.
Yeah?
So, and like, Silk is nice, luxuriate.
Yeah.
And what's great about this brand, Silk, C-I-L-Q-U-E, because they're fancy, is that they deal in all things hygge, relaxation, hibernation, so you can get a lot of good things from it.
How about that? Keep that one for yourself. Don't re-gift that. Do not re-gift that.
No.
Okay. What else out?
Speaking of which, Marilyn, I suggest you keep this and the eye mask and the pillowcase for yourself, because it's the season of giving to oneself as well.
Right.
But you're all getting a $100 gift card to Giant Tiger. And what is great about Giant Tiger is that you can really get into the spirit of giving, and they have so many ready-to-play games, so you can get in the spirit of a good time. So say you're having a party, and the kids are getting a little rambunctious, as they're known to do. Throw one of these in their hands, and you're all good. And you have $100.
And personally, just saying, I like their onesies.
Onesies, sweaters.
I like their onesies.
You can get all kinds of things at Giant Tiger.
Thank you so much. Off they go. All right.
So winter is here. If you live in Toronto, you definitely know winter is here. So you're all going to go home with a $50 gift certificate to Uniqlo. So you can get yourself a cute jacket.
Oh, look at you.
So nice. So this is a fleece collarless coat from Uniqlo, and what's great about Uniqlo is they have so many different things to have a chic winter time.
Yeah, right.
Because look, we're all covered up for like months and months at a time.
Right.
But why not look cute while you're covered
You know
up?
what they call that? They call that the teddy bear coat.
Yes.
It feels like a teddy bear.
Have a chic winter time, I say.
Yeah.
So, there you
Thank
go.
you, Uniqlo. Thank you, sweetheart. Pretty. All right.
So you've got your jacket, and now you need something cute to put underneath it. So you're all going home with a gift card to Olsen Fashion.
Nice.
$100.
Great sweater.
$100. Nice. And so what's great about Olsen Fashion is they are the masters of the separate. So if you like this top, you like those bottoms, you can really just mix and match and create something cute for the holiday party.
They've got great sweaters, great jackets.
Great jackets, and everything in separate, so you don't have to feel bound to one look.
Yeah. Thank you, Olsen. That's so nice.
All right.
And it's
so you've got your jacket. You've got something cute to put underneath it. Now you need some bling bling. So you're all going home with a bracelet worth $200 from Lee Fiore. Now, again, this is a great gift for yourself because Christmas is about giving to yourself as well. But this is also a great gift to give to anyone in your life. These are so pretty. They're cute. They're dainty. They go with all your outfits.
Yeah.
Do it for yourself.
Do it for yourself.
Yes.
Or babysitter,
or babysitter, nanny, your personal chef. I tell you, my clients out there. Nana.
All right. Awesome. Thank you, Lee Fiore. All right. And then.
So last I mean, I don't know if it's not least. I never know around here. Last, but who knows not least, is something close to my heart, as I am a cooking expert on the Marilyn Denis Show, and it is a Zwilling 8-inch Chef Pro knife.
Nice. All right. It's the Zwilling Pro.
And
So what do you love about this?
What I love about this knife, and look, if you're ever in a conversation with someone and they're talking about knives and you say you have this knife, no matter how good you are in the kitchen, you'll look like you know what you're doing. So there you go. You're welcome. Happy holidays.
Hey, happy holidays.
But what I like about it is that it's weighted really well, meaning when you hold it in your hand, it's not going to tip to one side or tip to the other side, which can cause like carpal tunnel and all of those things.
Right.
And also, this knife will last you so long. It'll stay sharp for a really long time, and it's just a great knife to have.
It'll last you through your first marriage.
Right.
Sweet, Bianca and Amber's gift guides. You're all going home with over $2,000 in prizes. That includes you, superfan Jen in Halifax. Merry Christmas, Jen, to you and your friends. We love you in Halifax. All right, there they are. Hi! All right, that's it.
Up next, Bianca helps remix some of those traditional holiday classics. Find out how you can tweak